Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a 3D text by using Photopea. So let's get started. First of all, open your Photopea. Now once you are in here, you have to write a text. Once you write a text, you have to click on it, and here is the option of EFF. You have to click on it and go on the drop shadow. Now in the drop shadow you have many options. First is blend mode. You have to click on the normal, and then you have to maintain the distance, spread, size and its contour. Here you can change its contour editor. You have to zero the noise, and you can also change the angle. And once you've done all of these, you have to click on the OK, and here you can change the size and click on the tick button, and here your 3D text has been added. So yeah, this is how you can create a 3D text by using Photopea.